Namaste students, how are you all? So this week we are going to start a new song and the name of the song is Rockabye Baby, okay? So it's a very easy, simple song. I'm going to teach you simple steps. I'm sure you must have heard this song many times in school. We have played it many times. So I'm doing a song which you all are familiar with, okay? If you're not familiar also, it's fine. You can listen to the song. It's a very easy song. Simple steps I'm going to give you. So what you have to do is you have to repeat the steps many times, okay? Just by seeing you will not get the step. You have to practice this 15 to 20 times, okay? You have to play the music. You have to see me doing it. With me seeing, you have to do at least 5-6 times. Then without my video, just playing the music, you have to do it on your own. That's when you will get the steps, okay? Even when we learn dance also, we do the same thing. We practice many times. So you should also practice many times. Alright? So let's start. So step number 1. Okay? Step number 1, we will be pushing. When somebody pushes you, you fall down like this, right? So stretch your hand. It's up to you. You can do any side. If you want to do this side, you do this side. You want to do this side, you do this side. Okay? So open your legs, okay? And push your hand. First, I'm pushing my left hand here. So push your hand and go to the other side. Then push this hand and go to the other side. Push this hand and go to the other side. Push this hand and go to the other side. Okay? See, when I'm doing like a wave. If you're not getting like that, it's okay. You just do pushing. Okay? Just push. Push people. Push everybody. When somebody is coming to catch you, you'll push them, no? Same way. Okay? We'll do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? It is slow. Alright? It is 4 times. How many times will you do? 4 times. We'll do one counts again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We will do this part on music. Alright?
Running a long generation, formation, a special part of creation. Wanna see you on top there, approach your frustration. Reminding, trying hard, I'm there.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from my father's daughter. She just wants a life.
Okay? Okay, so that was the step. It was very simple. You just have to push your hand. If you have not understood, rewind the video, see what I am doing and do again. Alright? You will move on to step number 2. Step number 2, I have already taught you in the first song. It is wave. But I will teach you again. Okay? So what you have to do for that, turn to your side. Any one of your side and lift your hands. 1, 2. I have taught you this step already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I'm taking my hand up, my hand is not like this. I'm taking my elbows out. Elbows out like this. Like Shaktiman like this. Okay? Put your hand front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now this we will be doing first this side. Alright? So take your hand up. 1, 2. Come down. Then go up. Then come down. Then go up and come down. Alright? Like a wave. See what you should do? I'll teach you the wave. This is very basic wave. This is not the exact wave. This is to make you understand to get the movement. Okay? The professional wave is very different. I'll teach you kids wave. Alright? So you have to put your body forward, go up and come down. When you're coming down, your knees will be bent. Okay? If you're not getting this wave, it's okay. You just Alright? You can do like this. Just bend front, bend back. Bend front, bend back. Bend front, bend back. Bend front, bend back. If you want to get little professional, then bend front. When you come back, you should go down. We don't go back, we go down. Then bend front, then go down. Okay? You can either bend front and go back or bend front and go down. Anything, whichever you like. Alright? So what are we doing here? The one leg will be at the back. Okay? This is because, or else you will fall down. Because if you keep doing like this, sometimes you will fall down like this. So keep any one leg at the back for you for having support. Alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Many of you boys, if you are thinking if this is a girl step, no. There is no such thing as girl step or boy step. So please do not complain that it's a girl step. Whatever steps I'm teaching is both for girls and boys. Alright? So we'll do again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright? Now we will do step number 1 and 2 on music. Okay? So you will have an idea how many times each step comes. Alright? So we'll do on music.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for her baby. All alone, no one home. She's got to save him. She tells him move like
Slight change. It is 2 times only. 2 times this side, 2 times this side. Okay? This step. So this we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We will do again on music. Alright?
A special art of creation. Wanna see the arms out there, from frustration. Reminded, child, I'm everything I knew.
she works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for her baby. All alone, no one home. She's got to save him. She tells him.
So that was step number 1 and step number 2. Now coming to step number 3. Step number 3 is very simple. You have to touch your right hand, right leg, left hand, left leg, and put both your hands up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So leg movement is the same. So what is the leg movement? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again turn this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. First you will learn only the leg movement. Okay? So then I'll teach you the step. Learn the leg movement. 5, do along with me. 5, 6, 7, go. We will be going in circle. Okay? Here 4 times, here 4 times, back side 4 times, this side 4 times, front 4 times. And once we take like this, second time ulta again. Here 4 times, here 4 times, this side 4 times, front 4 times. Alright? First do only the leg movement. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now you understand once we are going like this, once we are going like this. So how is my body when I'm lifting the leg? 1 and 2, you will bend front. 3 and 4, you will bend back. Okay? So what is the posture when I'm doing 1 and 2? 1, 2, bend front. 3, 4, bend back. Okay? 1 and 2, bend your body front. 3 and 4, bend your body back. Okay? I will do on counts again. Do along with me. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, bend back. 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 Okay? You understood? First 2 times, bend your body front. Next 2 times, bend your body back. Okay? So now how is the step? 1 and 2. Keep one hand near your ear, on your ear like this. See? Your ear like this, okay? When your mommy shouts at you, you'll be like, you catch your head, no? When my mommy shouts at me, I catch my head like this. I get very irritated, actually. So, when you have a lot of homework, you'll catch your head, no? I have to do so much homework. So, catch your head like this. And touch your left hand with the left leg. 1. Then change the hand. Put the left hand here. 2. Remember, 1 and 2 we are bending forward. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4 we are bending back. Put both the hands up. 3, 4. Okay? So, what did we do? 1 and 2 we are bending forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This is the step. One last time on counts, then we will do on music. Okay? Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We'll do on music.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All alone, no one home. She's got to save him. She tells him, "Ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you." She tells him, "Your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna go have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do."
So, yes, children, the step is fast. Yes. There is only one fast step. Okay? It is very easy step. So, you all are very young than me, no? Small kids. So, you should do more fast than me. Okay? I know you all can do it. It is fast. Dance is all about fitness, right? So, you can't do slow like this. No. Pull up. Increase your speed. Okay? Increase your stamina. Do the step fast. Okay? I know you all can do it. Alright? We'll do on once counts fast. Okay? So you'll understand how it is. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I know. See, if you're not We'll do one last step on music. Alright?
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants her life for a baby. All alone, no one home. She's got to save him. She tells him, "Ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you." She tells him, "Your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna go have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do." So rock-a-bye.
Right? So 3 steps over. Last step. Last step is super easy. Okay? I'm not lying, it is really easy. So we are ending here, right? So in this position only, from here only. Okay? Rock-a-bye baby, rock-a-bye. The song comes. The name of the song is Rock-a-bye Baby. So hold like you're holding a mic. Hold a mic here and go from down to up. Have you seen the elephant trunk anytime? It goes from down, it goes up, right? From down, it goes up. Same, from down, we should go up like this. Alright? In Bahubali, you have seen, the trunk goes up like this. Elephant's trunk. Yes. We have to go our body also like that. So hold a mic. Okay? First your left side. Because you are the left side, hold your mic. Okay? Don't hold mic like this, like this. Hold it like this. Alright? Now go from down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And be here only. Like this only. Statue. I'm gonna get you. Okay? This is the step. First, hold a mic. Go down, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. Na-na-na-na. Okay? The other hand, after you hold here like this, after you come up, make a finger and get the other hand front. But don't see front. You should see up here only. Okay? So how is the step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So what am I doing? I'm taking the mic up. I'm looking up. And my other hand is going front. I'm looking here. Next again. I'm going up. I'm looking up. Only hand is coming front. Again. I'm going up with the mic. And hand is coming front. Again this side. I'm going up like this. And hand is coming front. Okay? We'll go on music. Smile!
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants her life for a baby. All alone, no one home. She's got to save him. She tells him, "Ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love.
and I think it's more than a minute. Okay, so practice the steps, keep doing again and again and again. Okay, the video is on my YouTube, so you can watch it anytime. All right, so take care, bye, be safe.